Good afternoon to all you parents and learners out there. Welcome back to Miss Mesh's English lesson. And so today we are dealing with different language structures and conventions. All right, let's look at the pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes over a noun. Now remember that a noun is a naming word. It tells you a place, a person, or an idea. Now let's look at a pronoun in a sentence. All right, Joe saw Jill and he waved at her. Now using a pronoun, you're going to say he saw her and waved at her. So now the word her and he is the pronoun because he took over Joe and her took over Jill. All right, indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person. For example, if I were to say Joe, I use her or he. All right. So it is vague. It is not definite. So some typical indefinite pronouns are all, another, anybody, anyone, everyone. So for example, in the class, ma'am would ask, does anyone have a red pen with them? So she is not asking one specific person, but she is asking all of the children in the classroom. All right. We look at connectors. Connectors are used to link large groups of words, phrases, and sentences. You can also use them to connect paragraphs to give them coherence. Now, sentence connectors are usually placed at the beginning of a sentence. Let's look at this example. The restaurant has the best kitchen in town, full stop. That sentence is done. However, their staff are quite rude. Now, the word however becomes a connector because at first you are telling us that the restaurant has a great kitchen, but also you're telling us, wait, the problem is their staff members are rude. All right, here are some few examples of connectors. They are adding, they can compare, some are giving contrast, some are giving some emphasis on something. All right, just take a look at them and you will see that connectors actually connect one sentence to the other. And then we've got conjunctions. Remember, conjunctions are part of the 8 parts of speech. A conjunction is the glue that holds the words. So I just see that it holds the words together. Phrases and clauses together. There are 3 types of conjunctions. We've got a coordinating, subordinating, and a correlative. Now these all form their own functionalities as a conjunction. All right, conjunctions used in a procedure text. Now, it explains how people perform different processes in a sequence of steps. A procedural text instructs you. So, for example, they will use words like, firstly, you will start off by whisking the eggs. So, the word firstly tells you that you must first whisk the eggs. It gives you an instruction. So remember, conjunction of procedure tells you a method or gives you an instruction. Conjunctions used in order of importance. The successive order of 2 or more things chronologically sequenced. All right, these are used in chronological order, meaning that you cannot just mix match your sentence. Where it begins, it must begin, it must have a middle, and then it must have the end. So for example, we've got later. We ate lunch during lunchtime and later on we went on to play. So we know that first, what did you do? You ate your lunch and then later on you went and played. So the word later becomes a order of importance. It helps you to know in what order did you do things. All right, here are the spelling words of the week. Remember, parents, you can give them a week to learn the words and then make them write a spelling word. Here are the words: sparingly, calcium, occasional, accountable, describes, hence, summarize, information, express, factory, appropriate, and physical. Now, after lesson work, please write out the spelling words and provide a dictionary meaning. Write out 8 sentences using the weekly spelling. Write 4 sentences using connectors and indefinite pronouns. Read aloud for 10 minutes. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's it for today. Remember, keep safe, keep washing your hands, and wear your mask every time you are in public. Thank you.